typewriters, the keys call our names. Sometimes they misspell them, but the point is they keep calling. The keys want to write about the cirrus clouds in the sky, about the aqua bowl of the ocean, about a jagged mountain they could never climb. But most of all, they beg us to write about what we are thinking, the birds of thoughts and feelings that lead from the highest branches of our minds. And so because they won't stop summoning us, we answer the keys. Though there might be errors and strikeovers and misspellings, we lift our hands to the quirky scramble of letters and we begin our story. So you got that QWERTY part, right?
I love the QWERTY part. My
Everybody
favorite.
knows typewriters, they refer to it that way. So
beautiful.
It's a word like QWERTY. Anyway, well, thanks for your interest. I appreciate it.
Bill, it's a gift I will treasure. I thank you so much, love. And wonderful to hear you read it in your words. So.
Well,